Hello pals, welcome to today's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make use of the Microsoft Insight that displays information about a particular website or what other people are looking for on that particular website or probably related information. Guys, if you are actually a content creator or maybe uh, a blogger, this particular tool is actually very useful for you. Now, on default, when you open Bing, you can see this Bing AI. That is exactly where we are going to, and that is exactly what we need to use. Now, you notice currently on the Bing homepage, this is actually Microsoft homepage. So this is probably Microsoft news area where it displays information about Microsoft, and people actually make use of this. So if you click on this this Bing extension right here that is added, it's going to give us information about this website by going to this insight area. So once you click on the insight, it's actually the third option right here. You're going to see actually what is trending on the search, which is probably what is trending on this Bing search. And you notice right there, this is exactly what is trending, and this also is trending, and Entretech Frankfurt is also trending, and then Wally is also trending. Now, the issue here is we do not actually know where Bing is actually picking its insights from, but we can actually know that it's getting the data from the Bing.com, which is probably the Bing website where people actually make use of this search. So these are exactly what people are searching for. This is actually top on the chart, and when you click on it, you can even see more information about it. Just ignore this, just scroll down. Let's scroll down. So this is what people are searching for right here. These are actually the information that you want to know. Now, I think there is an issue right here because these are what people are searching for, and this is probably not what people are clicking. But do not worry, there are even more things. So let me just go ahead and go back. Now, this is actually for Bing, right? This might be a bit confusing for you, especially when you want to dig into what people are searching for. But just know that this is actually the topic that people are actually searching for on the Bing.com. Now, if you open, let's say BBC.com or let's say BBC News, just type in BBC.com and you hit enter. Wait for it to load up, and it's going to give us our insight after it has displayed the BBC. This is still showing the Bing. Do not worry, it's going to update our search. Now, this is actually something that you can actually work on. It says pick a related tool. That means you can pick or choose a particular tool or a tool that people are actually preferred or preferred reading. But for my case, I always choose none so that it's going to show me the result of what people are picking. Now, this is exactly what people are interested in: politics and worldwide news. That is exactly what people are interested in looking at BBC.com. So they are actually interested in politics and worldwide news. And if you scroll down a little bit, you are going to also see related video that people are interested in. These are also what people are all interested in. You can see all of that, and also related searches from the uh, actually from the BBC website. These are all the related searches on the BBC website. Hold on, let's scroll down. These are all the searches. These are also related video. These are more information for you, and these are related search that people are actually looking for. So if you are a content creator and make any of these video, you are actually going to be getting some hits or some information on what people are looking for. And also, if you think this is also helpful, you can always give it a positive rating, and you can notice this already has 90% positive rating, which means that the data is actually correct. And this is actually the worldwide ranking of this particular website, which is 1000 and also 1000 in Nigeria. I don't know why exactly is but anyway, now this is actually people that are visiting the most. 22% is United States and 18% is United Kingdom, and then 6% is Australia and 7% is. This is actually depending on how much how much Bing is actually collecting their data, and this data is only from Bing. This is actually not Google Trends information. Now, if you also open Facebook.com, You are also going to get information based on what people are looking for on that particular facebook.com. And this is actually what people are interested in the most, videos and photos. So if you are posting videos and photo, probably you are going to be getting more attention because this actually has 51% of people that are interested in watching videos and photos on Facebook platform. And when you scroll down a little bit, you are also going to see other links that people are also clicking on, making use of Facebook. And these are also facebook.com, which is actually the login, because obviously we cannot see the main Facebook until we are logged in. And then these are actually related things that people are searching for that is relating to Facebook, which is probably from Bing. And you can see they say 4-digit passcode login on Facebook mobile, Facebook sub companies, receive a refund for Facebook ad campaign, and then log out of Facebook on every device, then Facebook data privacy scandal. And if you are not satisfied with this, if you click on more, you are still going to be seeing more. When you scroll down, you are still going to see every other thing that is relating to the Facebook search. And when you're done, you can go back. There are so many information right here. Just take your time to go through and you are good to go. So you can also see that this has 69% rating, and you can also rate it if you feel that is accurate. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see more information and also which country is rating the most. And you can also see the country that are using Facebook a lot, which is 30% of United States, 6% of France, and then Philippines, it's 5%. Canada is 4%. So each website has like the amount of people that use them and how they use them. So let's check Twitter, and you are going to see that every website has different information and different things that people are actually looking for. And also, you can also check this to verify and compare if this is actually accurate or not accurate. Now, this is actually the key point. Unlike Facebook, this has a key point. So you can look at the key point and then, but just scroll down and choose as usual, I choose none so that I'll be able to see what people are looking for. Now, people are interested in news and current events, and this is actually giving us 53%, which is probably when you have news and current events, you are going to get at least attention of 53%. And then if you are making posts for celebrities and entertainment gossip, you are probably going to also get attention. But sport news, nah, not very much. So when you scroll down, you are going to see even more information of what people are searching for. 12 things that happened this week at Twitter you need to know. When you click on this, you're also going to see more information. And then Instagram photos and videos are also being reposted on Twitter, and that particular trend is also going on. And you can see how much positive people are rating this. So when you scroll down a bit further, you can also see the country that are visiting it the most. So I think USA has a little bit of audience in Twitter. I think they prefer Facebook more than no more than Twitter, but actually 39% of Japanese are using Twitter, which is actually very cool. I didn't know they use that until now. So 4% from Turkey, 4% from United Kingdom, and this. But I actually want to see more of the countries that are actually making use of this, but for some reason it's only giving us 4. But then when you pay attention to the search engine visibility, this actually has 31% search engine visibility, which means people are actually searching for it on Google and visiting it. And you can also see other websites that are related to it where you click on this area, and then you can see more people that are also related to this. But guys, something that you notice that is uncommon right here is that looking at these searches and this information, you can notice that unlike Facebook and other previous websites I showed you, is actually not showing information to related suggestion of what people are searching for. So this is quite different because on Twitter doesn't have so many features. So most of the times you might not even be looking for anything because they don't have too much features and everything is just simplified on Twitter. So unlike Facebook where people will ask a lot of questions and looking for a lot of things, and Facebook also has more audience. So this is not giving us enough data for us to know what people are searching for, which is actually what my make a content creator or a blogger to feel bad for not getting enough information on the different website. But then guys, this is actually the roundup of my video. Please let me know if the insight is actually helping you, and also let me know how it's working for you. If this is working perfectly well, also do let me know on the comment section. I want to know your opinion about this Microsoft Bing Insight and how you are using them. If you have been using it before now, or if this is just your first time, I am really interested to know what your take is. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.